Hey guys, welcome back. So we knew a long time ago that Galaxy S9 will make its official debut at MWC 2018, but now we also have the release date, pre-order date and the shipping dates. As per Evan Glass, launch date of the Galaxy S9 is 26th of February, which is the first day of MWC, so they are going to be the showstoppers of that day. Pre-orders will be starting from 1st of March and the shippings will start from 16th of March. This is around a month and a half early from the Galaxy S8 shippings. These leaks comes from Evan Glass, who really is a trustworthy person, but this isn't over yet. Today could be the day. Evan Glass could be proved wrong. As per this guy, which I don't know who he is and I don't know much about can he be trusted, but he says that sorry, your leakers are wrong, Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are going to be announced at 25th. If it's true, the Galaxy S9 is coming before MWC, so let's see what happens. Some new hands-on videos of the Galaxy S9 Plus clones have also surfaced on the internet. These kinds of phones are not the best representation of the real thing, as we can clearly see that it's way thicker than the real Galaxy S9. It's not quite as bezel-less as the real Galaxy S9, but the place it comes closer to the real thing is always the back panel. As at the back we can see dual vertical cameras with the fingerprint scanner and the heart rate monitors. It looks good. When comparing it to the Galaxy S8, the S9 is just a little bit smaller. We also have the golden color for this clone, but for me, black is the best phone color. So yeah guys, that's it for this one. Let me know who you think is giving us the correct information about the S9 release date. I will bet my money on Evan Glass, but let me know yours in the comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.